Effective strategies for property managers to enhance overall operations. Property management involves more than just tenant satisfaction. It requires a holistic approach to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and maintain property value. Here are some effective strategies that property managers can adopt to enhance their overall operations. Adopt advanced property management software. In the digital age, property management software is indispensable. This software can handle tenant communication, rent collection, maintenance requests, and financial reporting all in one place. By automating these tasks, property managers can save time, reduce manual errors, and gain valuable insights through data analytics. This technology streamlines operations and enables better decision-making, allowing managers to focus on more strategic activities. Implement predictive maintenance programs. Traditional reactive maintenance can be costly and disruptive. Instead, property managers should adopt predictive maintenance techniques using IoT devices and sensors to monitor the health of critical systems. These devices can predict when maintenance is needed, preventing unexpected breakdowns. This proactive approach extends the lifespan of equipment and reduces overall maintenance costs by addressing issues before they become major problems. Optimize energy efficiency. Energy costs are a significant expense in property management. Conducting energy audits and upgrading to energy-efficient appliances and systems can make a substantial difference. Implementing smart thermostats and lighting controls can further enhance energy efficiency. These upgrades reduce utility costs, improve property value, and contribute to environmental sustainability, making the property more attractive to eco-conscious tenants. Enhance security measures. Security is a top priority for property managers. Installing advanced security systems, such as surveillance cameras, secure entry systems, and alarm systems, can significantly enhance safety. Regularly reviewing and updating security protocols ensures that the property remains secure. These measures not only protect tenants and staff but also reduce liability risks and deter criminal activity. Conduct regular market analysis. Staying informed about market trends is crucial for property managers. Regularly analyzing the local real estate market, including rental rates, vacancy rates, and emerging trends, helps in making informed decisions. This knowledge is essential for pricing strategies, identifying investment opportunities, and maintaining competitiveness in the market. Develop strong vendor relationships. Reliable vendors are key to smooth property operations. Building and maintaining strong relationships with vendors ensure timely and high-quality service. Regularly evaluating vendors for quality, reliability, and cost-effectiveness is important. Establishing long-term contracts where beneficial can help negotiate favorable terms and ensure consistent service. Streamline financial management. Efficient financial management is critical. Using accounting software to automate financial tasks like invoicing, expense tracking, and financial reporting improves accuracy. Conducting regular financial reviews helps in strategic planning and enhances cash flow management. This streamlined approach ensures timely payments and better financial oversight. Invest in staff training and development. The effectiveness of property management largely depends on the competence of its staff. Providing regular training sessions on the latest practices, technology, customer service, and legal compliance is essential. Investing in staff development enhances their skills, increases job satisfaction, and improves overall service quality and efficiency. Leverage marketing and branding. Effective marketing and branding attract high-quality tenants and reduce vacancy rates. Utilizing digital marketing strategies, including social media, SEO, and online advertising, can significantly boost property visibility. Creating a strong brand identity helps build a reputable image in the market. Implement green building practices. Sustainability is increasingly important. Integrating green building materials, renewable energy sources, and sustainable landscaping into property developments and renovations can have numerous benefits. These practices reduce environmental impact, attract eco-conscious tenants, and may qualify for tax incentives and rebates. Adopting these strategies can significantly enhance overall property management operations. Advanced technology, predictive maintenance, energy optimization, enhanced security, market awareness, strong vendor relationships, streamlined financial management, effective marketing, and sustainability all contribute to smoother processes and increased property value. By implementing these strategic measures, property managers can ensure operational efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and success.